Hi, my name is Christoph and welcome to the Quick Street Workshop. The previous few weeks I attempted to make a magnetic self-running motor. Yes, that did not work out as I anticipated. I was hoping to get some level of success from this experiment, but nevertheless I've learned a lot of things. So the first thing I've learned is that friction plays a huge role in when you make something like this. The best solution would be to make everything suspended on a magnetic bearing, but in my case I decided to just make it run like clocks, watches. They run on small pins inside small ruby bearings, and I used a piece of glass and a tungsten tip. And this way I eliminated most of the friction for the turning of it. But at the end, I don't. So these are little diodes, and a diode is basically like a one-way valve. Allows electricity to go from the one side to the other side, but not back. So if I have 4 of these and I put them in arrangement like this, and they point the right direction, just like that, then I can put alternating current on those 2 corners, and I'll get DC direct current with a plus and a minus from those 2 corners. So let's solder them together. So it seems the best I can do is 0.7 volts if I spin it. And as you can see, it spins for quite a long time, just with one push. And as it slows down, and it comes to a stop. It definitely can generate power. It's not enough to light a LED, unfortunately, but if you have a couple of these, or at least better type of coils, then it is possible to use this to generate electricity. It's actually obvious, just magnets flying past a coil, it will generate electricity. So let's try and improve the setup a little bit. Lastly, I've got a couple of these spools of transformer wire, and I just used one of them, and I turned a piece of metal on the lathe, put it in there, and I just connected the 2 ends, and let's see how this coil does. So I need I need to glue this, otherwise it will move. Let's see, almost 6 volts. That's nice. But I don't know how many amps it is. I think it's a few milliamps. Well, that's all I have time for this week. I didn't accomplish much, but I've learned a little bit. I'm not very good with electronics. Maybe in the comment section you can add something if you've got an idea. And I'll see you next week. Cheers.